Today, we are actually going to paint my hair using these mini hair color combs. It's temporary and it's easy to wash. So basically I'm thinking this hair right here, this is, I believe, 4th day hair without any products. So we're doing pretty good, but then again, it's super dry outside, so my hair is not as oily. But I do wanna see how well it is going to wash out of my hair. All right, let's open these up and try them out. All right, let's try this. Oh, it's very pretty. I thought it was gonna be a very intense pink. That's like giving yourself like baby highlights with pink. Ooh, I actually really like this. Wow, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. I love the minimal payoff. It's actually, like, it makes it look really nice. Let's do a little bit more up here. You see, just like that. And it's actually quite easy. You can go from like underneath. I mean, I think this will definitely work great on blondes. I think darker hair, you might have a harder time. Darker hair, you might be easier with blues, maybe some greens to add those kind of really cool like low light colors. But the pinks, it might be a little harder to see. The one thing that I do wish it was, maybe the comb was a little bit bigger. I mean, it feels super cheap. It kind of rips out a little bit of the hair, but it's not too bad. I'm actually gonna do all pink first, like the entire head, and then I wanna add the colors in between, you know, to kind of mismatch the colors, kind of do some kind of cool effect. So I'm just going down once and then I go back in and just kind of go over a couple of times if I want more color payoff, just like that. I mean, it does require a little bit of work to do the entire head, but it's not bad at all. So you guys see how I did that? Like added a little bit more color towards the bottom, just kind of going over that a couple of times. It's actually very easy to work with, honestly. And it's so fun, but you definitely can feel something in your hair. It kind of feels maybe a little bit of like a jelly mousse texture. It's kind of sticky, tacky. I mean, you can even see it in my hair. Like it kind of changed the look of the hair. It looks more sleek and it looks like I have product in my hair. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. And I'm just working in sections just because I kind of want it to be sort of like highlights. I'm curious to see if it is gonna set and if it's gonna transfer, you know what I mean? Like so far I'm looking at my hands and they look pretty good. I actually forgot to put gloves on, but they don't look colored at all, which is nice. I honestly didn't think it was gonna be this good. I thought that it was gonna be really bright neon colors, like neon pink, but this is actually really pretty. I mean, if you're into temporary colors, like this is really fun. When my nieces come over, I should do their hair. Mm-hmm. They will love this. I think my favorite part is that it's a comb, and so it creates like a nice streaks, but they're very subtle streaks, you know? The one thing is the texture of this, like you can feel it in your hair, and you can actually see it in your hair also. So I'm thinking I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes to dry once I'm done and brush it out and then see what it looks like. If it looks like I have stuff on my hair. All right, so now I'm looking at my hands and you can see more pink right here. I'm gonna go wash it off quickly and be right back. I'm gonna brush it out using my Tangle Teezer because I really just wanna see the separation. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, those literally look like pink highlights. I love just how subtle it is, but you can really see the pink coming through with the little peekaboos. I think it looks so fun, and I love the streaks, and it just looks very lived in a very good way. So the one thing I do want to say is the color payoff is more pastel than a neon pink. I mean, it's not as neon just because there is a comb in between, so it kind of separates it for you. That's what I really, really, really appreciate and like. All right, let's try some more colors. The yellow is actually kind of cool. Adds a little fun dimension to it. Kind of warms it up. All right, let's do purple, you guys. Let's try it. Ooh, that's purple. But it's still pastel though. All right, let's go. What color should we do? Green? All right, let's go green. Very subtle. It kind of looks like if you damaged your hair in chlorine, you know, in the pool in the summertime. It's kind of what that's the vibe that it's giving me. All right, let's try blue. Let's try this really pretty blue color. Oh, wow, the blue is very pretty. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Wow, this is actually a very pretty blue. Don't hate on me, but I actually like this. I think we're getting to like cotton candy colors, which I'm not hating.
It's like party hair.
Yeah, it's straight up party hair. That's actually not bad at all. Look at that. Wow. Something very satisfying about that. I still like my one color, that pink on its own, but this is actually very cute and totally wearable. Like that looks so fun. Just so many fun colors and shades, and I love that they're all pastel. I think that's what makes this work, you know, for an adult. Oh, wow.
Like aqua blue.
Wow, that is actually a really pretty blue. All right, let's pop in a little orange in here. Ooh, the orange really comes through. Whoa, hello. All right, last one. We have red. Let's see how intense the red is. On top of the pink, it just adds a little more of like a mauve-y look. Look at that. Matches perfectly. The red on my hair is turning out more kind of like a fuchsia pink, which I'm actually really not mad at. I quite am enjoying that color. I actually really don't hate this at all. I thought I would. I thought it would look very cartoonish, but you know what? These are temporary. Wear with confidence. Enjoy it. All right, you guys, what do we think of this? Is this something you would do on yourself? Is this something you would do with your kids? I think because Halloween is coming up, I know so many people like to color their hair temporarily, or if you don't even celebrate Halloween, you just want to color your hair for fun.
Like you?
Like me. I mean, this is just fun. Definitely try it out, but I think definitely on blonde hair, you're gonna see a lot more color payoff. One of the reviews was a lot of these colors, it's a hard time working with them with darker hair, so it just depends what color your hair is and what color you want, so you might have to go over those sections a little bit more to get some kind of color payoff. But on me, it's looking very pastel, which I actually really, really love, and surprised that it turned out very pastel instead of very neon-y, and I actually really like it, you guys. I like it a lot. If you've colored your hair some really fun colors, please share them with all of us. I love really fun hair colors. Sometimes I just don't have the guts to do it, especially if it's like a semi-permanent or a demi-perm. So I think it's a good gateway for me to try and test out some colors, and they wash out. So I think I'm gonna end it here, but I will wash my hair and give you guys a quick update and see how it washes out, if it washed out completely or if there was still a little bit of some kind of tint left in my hair after the one wash. Alrighty, good morning. That's why I look this incredible. I'm actually getting ready to take a shower, and I wanted to see what the hair looks like. Honestly, not bad at all, but I'm gonna wash it out. Hopefully it washes out. I'm gonna see with just one shampoo wash, obviously conditioner, see how much color comes out. I did look at my pillow. It's a white pillowcase and no color transferred over. So That's a huge positive. All right, I'm gonna jump in and I'll be right back. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if the color came out of my hair. Looks like it did. Nice. All right, they came out with one wash. I'm very happy about that. And my hair feels good. So that's a good bonus. Andre feels like he sees some color. Like right here. Do you see anything?
Yeah, I do.
There is color there?
There's a little bit.
It's very subtle. Like you can't really even see it.
Yeah.
Unless you start looking for it. But that's good to know that most of the colors, I would say 95% of the colors are gone. Kind of happy with that. I'm gonna dry my hair quickly and I wanna see what it looks like once it's dry. Maybe the color is gonna pop out a little bit more or maybe it's not, I'm not sure. All right, I do see a little bit of the pink still a little bit throughout, but it's super subtle. But it looks really good though. I like the way it washed out and most of it washed out, so that's a good thing. All right, that's really good to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, spending time with me and these fun, crazy hair colors, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Bye.